Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how the celluon works because I just got it in the mail. I'm so excited to try it, and I have it paired with my iPhone right now. So I have my iPhone in front and then my iPad is behind it, but I'll just show you that's what it looks like. It's nice and red. It's a laser keyboard, so it looks like a regular keyboard, and it's actually pretty bright. I have all the lights on, so it's even brighter in the dark. I'm going to go ahead and start typing. Now I'm texting my friend. Hey, and see how it's making little sounds with it? Let's, oops. I'm using a virtual laser keyboard. How cool is that? No, I kind of misspelled that. Is that. There. Oh, the space isn't working very well. There we go. So that's how I type with it. And then as you do it, makes a little sound. And then you can erase and whatnot. So I think it's pretty cool. And I'm going to go ahead and just hit send. And then you can also use it on the iPad, computer, whatever, anything that has Bluetooth connectivity. So I think that's pretty cool, and let me know what you think.